Hi there, this is our HMT radial arm drill. Quite well known machines, lots of them around. They're very good and people like them. So this particular one has got the hydraulic locks all round, so it locks the column and the head via a button off here. Got your normal feeds. It's got the single axis tilting table there. Your main power switch is there, cabinet down the back, coolant pump, that's the coolant pump running there. I haven't had fluid in it, but I imagine that's all working. So your locks on it are one lock there. So basically that ends up allowing you to move the head and also the column. And then if I want to go up, I just push the up there and that takes that column up and then down and then lock, and that basically locks it back up again. That quill goes up and down nicely. It's got three feed ranges here. I'll start that head and try and take you through those ranges. So I'll try and get it in a faster speed. So that's 112 and I'll take you through those feeds. So basically you've got your feeds here, and I'll turn that round a little bit actually. So that's that feed there. I'll bring that down a bit. And I've got that feeding down and now kicking out. Those are your three speeds there for your feed, so that's pretty simple. So that was 112, that's 56. That will be 40. 80. I'll take you through to that next range. So that one there will be 150, 220, 300, 440. Take you through that final speed there. That one's 580, 850, 1160, and one more to go, which is 1700. So that's the fastest speed. That's reverse. Forward is 1700. So those are the gear range. They're easy to operate. Your forward and reverse is easy to operate. They've got clutches in there. And there's not a lot to demonstrate with it. It's a nice, I know it looks big, but a medium size. And this one's all set to go.